Okay, I'm going to go ahead and introduce week 2 to you, which is May the 31st through June the 6th. We're looking at classroom vocabulary, subject pronouns, and the verb ser, and definite and indefinite articles, making words plural, and noun adjective agreements. This video introduces the week to you. You're going to want to study pages 12 to 20, pages 25 to 30, and review pages 1 to 17. After completing this week's assignments, you should be able to describe to others your classroom. You should know what subject pronouns are in Spanish, as well as how to use them and how to conjugate the verb ser. You should be able to correctly make words plural in Spanish. You should be able to distinguish between definite and indefinite articles and be able to make them agree with the nouns they modify in Spanish. You should be able to make nouns and adjectives plural in Spanish, as well as correctly use descriptive adjectives to modify nouns. You should be able to use greeting vocabulary and pronunciation rules to answer the following questions. Hola, ¿cómo estás? No estoy bien. ¿Qué día es hoy? Gracias. Adiós. In the target language with native or near native pronunciation. All of these assignments address student learning outcomes 1, 2, and 3. These assignments are due by the end of the day, the 4th. To start off with, you have a class participation forum. You'll want to click on the forum, click on the thread, and you want to hit reply and post any questions or concerns you have about material that's introduced in the class. It is a grade. You do have to post something. If you have no questions or concerns, then post that you have no questions or concerns, but you have to post some. Okay. You also have assignment 4. So if you open up assignment 4 and you hit attempt quiz now, it's just like the other one. This is a homework assignment. You are going to have at the top, you'll have videos that are, the lessons are embedded in the assignment, so you'll want to watch the lesson. Then there should be a video that explains each assignment, and then there'll be the assignment. So just make sure that you look at the explanation videos before completing each assignment, as well as the instructional videos so that you know what you're doing. You have 2 attempts. I will not manually grade this. I'm going to take what the computer gives you. So after the first attempt, it will give you the right answer. So make sure that you change your answers to reflect that. And if you're getting a lot of things wrong, then I suggest reaching out to me. Okay. And I think you have one more assignment. Yeah, you have oral dialogue 1. So if you open up oral dialogue 1, this video is just me making those statements. You don't have to watch it if you don't want to. You need to respond to each of these statements and questions, and you're going to make a recording. So you have 4 options for how to do that. You can use VidGrid, which is what I'm using right now. This video will tell you how to use VidGrid, and then ultimately you will click on this record button and you will get it'll either embed it in there, or you can get a URL link that you paste into the assignment. Option 2 is if you use some other recording device on your desktop, this will tell you how to embed it in the assignment. Option 3, it tells you how to use Vocaroo, which is like an online recording. And this is the link to Vocaroo. Option 4 tells you how to use your phone and make a YouTube video. And then just for most of them, you'll be pasting, hold on, I'm going to hit add submission. When you're ready, you'll hit add submission. For most of them, you'll be pasting a URL in here. I think for the embedding video, you'll actually be clicking on this link right here. But in order to do each of those you don't have to watch the videos on all of these, just pick which recording method you would like to use, and then watch the video that corresponds to the method that you chose. And then after you're done, you can hit save changes. If you make a video like in VidGrid or use YouTube, if you don't want me to, I'm not really going to watch you guys. I'll be looking at, I'll be paying attention to what you're saying and jotting down notes to give you feedback for your pronunciation. So it really doesn't matter to me if I see, I mean, it's nice to see a face, but you don't have to show me your face if that makes you feel uncomfortable. And that's everything you have to do for